Hey YouTube, it's Jaryd and today we're going to watch some Eurovision. Let's do it. Today we're going to watch Serbia. So the history of Serbia in Eurovision is a pretty long one, but we're going to do a quick speed run, catch you guys up. Serbia were originally part of Yugoslavia, who were in it from 1961 to 1992. They came back with Montenegro as Serbia and Montenegro and participated in 2004 to 2006, and then they entered for the first time as an independent country in 2007. As they debuted in 2007 as an independent country, it makes them the first country to win with their debut entry since Switzerland at the very first Eurovision. That's how you kick off your participation in Eurovision. You win. As always, we're going to have a look at the 2021 entry and the 2020 entry, compare and contrast them, and we're going to see if they're going to get to the final. In Serbia, they have a musical competition called Biovica. Biovica? Biovica. Sure. Biovica serves as the national selection to represent Serbia at Eurovision. I think over the last 10 years there have been a combination of internal selections and national selections to represent Serbia. Winning the competition in 2020 were the girl group Hurricane, who were set to represent Serbia at Eurovision with the song Hasta la Vista. Hasta la Vista. Competition didn't happen. They are back this year with a brand new song called Loco Loco, which means crazy, crazy. Immediately hearing that, I'm expecting some kind of hyper, upbeat, crazy pop anthem that we can all just get up and dance to. It's going to turn out to be a ballad now, isn't it? First up, Loco Loco. Disco ball, straight away. This is going to be another disco song. We're revisiting the 80s before quite a lot in these songs. Oof, my god. The queens have come to slay this year. So instantly we've got beautiful male models, we've got glitter, disco balls. This is the epitome of what it must have been like back then. Or now, in this year's Eurovision. Already you can see it is yet another bop that Eurovision are gracing us with. This is going to be such a tough year. We've heard a lot of similar sounds in terms of pop, in terms of disco. So this is going to be really difficult. A disco ball that does the body good. You would want to get that in one take. The amount of times they must have had to redo that because he didn't throw the balls up properly.
1, 2, girls, come on.
Oh, here we go. Never underestimate the power of, I was about to say, the power of girl power. Key change! Key change! I like it. It's so frustrating. Ah. I really like it. And I'm so frustrated because we're starting to get quite a lot of similar sounds now, and it's nothing against that song, but it's been a recurring thing, you know, it's just been all out fun, disco, pop beats. And I'm upset because some of these songs are just going to get left behind, but in reality, they're all great songs. You would have them all in your playlist. Download the Eurovision album on iTunes. I really like the song. I'm not Loco Loco about it, but I really like it. There are not a lot of groups entering this year. We've got a couple of bands, but we've seen a lot of solo artists, so I think I would enjoy to see kind of a group perform. Whilst I would like to say that's going to qualify, it may fall short of what people are looking for in the semi-finals, which is a shame because the budget on disco balls that they had was impressive. Now we're going to look at Hasta la Vista, Baby. The dramatic zoom in on them. Loving the outfits already. It's like they smashed a disco ball, just stuck it all over them. Yes, choreo. So this is a live performance, obviously. This is kind of closer to what you would get in the music video. They can sing, they sound great. Stage is a bit bare for my liking. I would like to see a bit more chaos going on there. But they look beautiful, stunning girls, amazing outfits. I want to see a bit more of the wind machine. I need to see the hair flowing a bit. If you're going to call yourself Hurricane, I want that going all over the place. Oh, more to the party. Now we're getting more of the party behind there. Oh, you're dancing, that's yours. Fire. Fuego. Loving the build up. Great. Love the LED. Love that. This is kind of like female empowerment, strong independent women. Get up there, singing to everyone in the world. Try next time. Much better, much better. Good, good. So this was their national final performance, which got them to represent Serbia for last year. You can see they're good, you can see they're a bunch of talented girls. I like the voices, I like the song. What's missing for me there is the stage performance. So when they take Loco Loco to Rotterdam, I need something big, I need something electric on that stage. Something that won't make me look away. I need to constantly be watching the screen. It needs to get my undivided attention, and this performance didn't really do it. Loco Loco is a good song, but I don't think it's a winner. With the stakes so high after a whole year off, everybody's coming back with some great entries. This is going to be one of the ones where we're not sure if it's going to qualify or not. I am worried it may not get its place from the semi-finals. For me, this is going to be a fuego moment. I think the song by itself, I look at it, I'm like, oh, it's a good song, but it doesn't have my interest just yet. It's all going to come down to that live performance, and that's what's going to snag the votes. You really need to go all in on this. This is going to be a stressful evening, I can tell. What did you guys think of Serbia's performance? Do you lean more towards 2021, maybe 2020? Do you think they're going to qualify with Loco Loco? Do you think they're going to qualify? Like, subscribe, leave your comments, let me know what you think of the songs. And I guess I will see you on the next one. Take care, guys.